landscaping contractor in San Mateo County, California. We know that you have a lot of choices when you need to find artificial grass. That's why we are committed to providing the best products in the industry. There are many great reasons to go with artificial grass. For example, 1. Artificial grass is a green, renewable and sustainable resource that is low maintenance. 2. Fake grass also has a long lifespan, which means it can last for decades with minimal upkeep. 3. Synthetic grass is an excellent way to reduce water usage and keep the environment clean. 4. It's also a great alternative for pet owners who have allergies or want to avoid the hassle of having to clean up after their pets. We are the leading artificial grass company in San Mateo County, California. We have been providing our clients with artificial grass solutions for over 13 years. We can help you find out more about what we offer. So give us a call.